I recently stayed at Graton Resort and Casino, just north of San Francisco in Rohnert Park, California. As soon as I stepped into the lobby, I was greeted by this beautiful fountain. The colors are just amazing. So beautiful. I was soon off to my room. Everything looked so clean in this hall. I could have probably just stayed in the hallway. Got my key out, slipped it over the lock, and I was in. Turned to my right. There's a beautiful shower with a seat in it. There's, oh, look at that. I love that little touch, a little sticker on the toilet paper roll. And a beautiful soaking tub, deep. And 2 sinks, of course. Hard to decide which one to use. Continuing into the bedroom, I selected a room with 2 queen beds. I love the colors. I think there's something about orange that I like. Big TV. I love this desk. And out that window is the pool. So inviting. If only I knew how to swim. Anyway, I'll continue with the room now. We see the 2 beds there, and they're nice, really nice, comfortable beds. Heading over to the closet now. Wanted to check it out. A couple of robes there, nothing in the safe. And then I went down to the fitness room. They had every free weight you could imagine. And every machine, by the way, to handle every body part. From legs, chest, shoulders, back. I'm not sure what that one's for. This fitness center also has stationary bikes. Not sure what this is. And they've even got a stair stepper. It was a great trip, and I'll give Graton 5 out of 5 stars. Oh, and I even had a little luck in the casino. Well, it didn't last long. But it was fun. If you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe. Much appreciated, and thanks for watching.